fridges are they like outside of a commercial space where they're plugged in, or?
Yeah, so it's like some of them are outside of a residence, some of them are like behind like a restaurant, some of them are you know, they're hidden but in plain sight, to, you know, in a way. There's you could go on Facebook or just Google free fridge, you know,
You can see where they are.
Yeah.
Are they painted a certain color or something like that?
There's like a little canopy, you know, wooden canopy or something like that outside of it, so it stands out in a sense.
And anyone can just go put some
Anybody.
food in there?
Yeah.